Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner or student. And this is a roller bearing is perfect and correct. And this part is a outer ring, and how to this part is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a all 2D drafting is a perfect. Okay, and guys, this is a front view and this is a right view and this is a top view, and all view one by one is you can see here on the screen. And this is a dimension is also available here. This dimension is very important. This design body, and okay, this roller bearing is okay. This project is very important, and this is all is perfect and correct. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect outer ring is perfect and correct. Okay, and this outer ring is a drawing, and how to this body is drawing easily and clearly you can see here on the screen. And today discuss here this is a perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. And okay, at first select a part, and some important setting is a you can see here. Okay, at first going to this option and going to this document properties and image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And at first drawing this front view means this is a front plane is a better because all dimension is you can see here. And this is a drawing here. This geometry is drawing here, and this distance is 14, and this is a 2.75 millimeter, and this is 30.5 millimeter, and this is a 5.5 millimeter. Okay, and this fillet is used here, and this upper is a 0.5 millimeter, and this is a lower is a 0.8 millimeter. And this 30.5 millimeter is this radius, and diameter is a both is same. Okay, this is a length is a same. Okay, at first drawing select a front plane and drawing some reference line. Two line is a drawing here. This is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. Okay, select a line, drawing a geometry, a simple geometry is drawing here. This line and this and okay, this is a perfect, and draws connect to this. A simple geometry is a drawing here, perfect and correct. And mention a dimension is this this distance is a this half is a 30.5 millimeter, and this full is a this diameter is a 61 millimeter. And okay, this is a 5.5 millimeter. Select this length, and this is a 30.5 millimeter. This and this distance is a 5.75 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 2.75 millimeter, and this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, but some fillet is also used here. Okay, and again click of sketch fillet, and 0.8 millimeter is a lower side, both is a this and click OK. and 0.5 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.5 millimeter is a upper side is both, and click OK and OK. All is a perfect and correct, and this is a 0.5 millimeter and this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is perfect and correct, and this is going to this revolve boss base, and this use axis of revolution is select here this reference line, and this body is drawing a 2D to 3D, and click OK. Okay, this is perfect and correct, and all fillet is used here this okay, all is looking perfect and correct. And going to this appearance and select a metal, and going to this chromium, and chromium plate is select here this, and material is also apply here this okay, and material is a chromium plate is also looking perfect. Okay, and this body is upper part is drawing here, and easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and select this okay. Okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one, and this roller bearing project is very important project, and this part is a drawing here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is design. And guys, this is a very important lecture, and this is a roller design is very important, and this is a part is a roller part, and how to this part is design. And this is a this project is a roller bearing project, and all parts is a this roller is a all 18 roller, and how to this one part, and this is a circular say use a circular pattern, and at first drawing one, and this view is isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view and all dimension is looking perfect and correct, and all dimension in millimeter. And guys, this is a very important lecture for a beginner student, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this project is all parts is one by one, all parts is designed here, and last is this is a assemble of this project. Okay, and this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a roller is very important, and all fillet is used here, and all is a this is a hole is also perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, this lecture is very important, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some important setting is very important. At first plain white, and going to this option, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, and at first select this circle, and circle is this drawing here, and this diameter is 7 millimeter, and this height is 12 millimeter is mid plane. Okay, and use a front plane is better, or draw a circle is this, and this is diameter is this diameter is 7 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this extrude boss and use a mid plane. Okay, and this is a 12. Okay, and okay. Okay, this is a very important, and this going to fillet is used here. This fillet is a 0.5 millimeter is radius, and use a fillet and 0.5. Okay, and both side is this and this, and okay, and okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And at first select this face sketch, drawing a circle. A circle is drawing here this and this diameter is a 4.5 millimeter. Okay, this diameter is a 4.5 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and click OK. This cutout is a 0.5 millimeter, and this face is also select here, and drawing a circle, and circle is this, and this diameter is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. A 0.5 millimeter is thickness is perfect. Okay, and again select this face sketch, drawing a circle. Circle is a this diameter is a 0.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is also 0.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this okay, all is perfect and correct, and use all dimension is perfect, and but this fillet is used here. Fillet is a this is a inside a point. Use a point. Okay, this use a 0.2 millimeter. Okay, and select this inner side, and okay, this is a and 1 point. Okay, and use this and 0.1 is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and 0.15 is a perfect. 0.15. Okay, better. Okay, this is a very nice perfect, and also use a point. Okay, 0.1. 0.13 is perfect. 0.13 is okay, this is a perfect, and again select this 0.1. Okay, and select this okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a okay, and select a 0.07 is perfect. Okay, and 0.05 is a okay, 0.09. Okay, 0.01. Okay, 0.05 is perfect. 0.04 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also 0.06 is a perfect. 6 is a better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. And again select this mirror, select a mirror and select a plane is a front plane and select a mirror, going to this okay, and this extrude cut first. Okay, this fillet is a okay, and okay, this fillet is a delete here, and okay, select this and this cut out, and this and this, and okay, okay, all is perfect. And select this fillet and point, okay, and point 1.5 and select this, okay, okay, and this roller design is a perfect design here. And apply a material is this, select a metal is brush, material is brush, and polished brush is a select here, okay, and this looking perfect. Okay, this roller design is a perfect design here. And all okay, all this all 2D drafting is showing here, and all use all dimension and all geometry. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and both side is a perfect. Okay, and guys, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this project is very important for a beginner student. And this project is a roller bearing project, and how to this bodies design. And this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. And all 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension and all geometry is you can see here on the screen. And this part is a inner part of this roller bearing project. And this roller bearing project is all parts is assemble here. And this is a outer part, and this is a inner part, and this is a case of roller bearing, and this is a roller. And okay, and this is a inner part design. And to discuss here a very important lecture. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is made in India, and MT12 35 and 96 and 74 number is right here easily and clearly. And okay, back side and front side is also perfect and correct. And how to this bodies design easily and clearly to discuss here. This is a perfect, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, let's start here this bodies design. And at first some setting is very important. This is a perfect, and at first going to this apply a sense a plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this front plane, you can see here a large dimension. Okay, and front plane, this is a a reference line is this center line, and this distance is 15 millimeter, and this distance is a radius, and this diameter is a 30 millimeter, and all dimension in millimeter, and this is a 30 millimeter, and also 30 millimeter is same, and radius is 15 millimeter, and this distance is 4 millimeter, and this is 7.6 millimeter, and this fillet is used here at 2 millimeter, and this distance is 2.51 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter, and this is a 0.9 millimeter, and this length is a 16 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. At first select a plane is front plane and draw a center line. Okay, this center line is a at first drawing here, and select a line. A line is drawing here. Draw a simple geometry, because this is a simple geometry is very important. And okay, this is a perfect, not any relation. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a not any relation, and this is a perfect drawing here. This is a correct. Okay, connect to this. Okay, and at first select this line, and this line is a collinear line. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a inner part is this. Okay, and this line is a collinear. Okay, 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 this is a perfect and correct. And mention a dimension. This dimension is this distance is a 15 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter is drawing here. Okay, and this is a 7.6 millimeter. 7.6 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and next is a this okay, this is a 4 millimeter. This is the distance is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and next is distance is a this distance point to this distance is a 2.51. okay, 2.51. okay, and select this is a 2 millimeter, and this distance is a okay, this is a 2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a 2.51 millimeter, and this distance is a and select this distance is a okay, this distance is a 2. okay, and next is a okay, this is a this distance is a 0.9. okay, 0.9. is perfect, and next is a okay, and drawing this okay, and some angle is this angle. Okay, this angle is 77.2. okay, 32 degree. Okay, and all point is perfect and correct. This is a perfect, and for okay, all is perfect and correct. But this is a mention here. Okay, this distance is this, delete here. But this point, select a distance, perfect, and select this distance is a 2 millimeter, and next is apply here this, okay, okay, all is perfect, and perfect and correct, and this line is a select here this perpendicular. Okay, this is a very important, and this relation is perpendicular. Okay, all is perfect. Some point is missing here, some relation. Okay, all is perfect and all dimension is correct, and next is a this inner side radius is a fillet is 2 and outer side is a okay, outer side is 1, fillet is 2 millimeter. Select this, and again fillet is used here 1, and select this, and select 1 and this, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is black color means this is a fully defined and correct and perfect. Okay, all is better, and this is a perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base and select this axis of revolution, and okay, this is a perfect, and all drawing is better, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a construction line is a perfect, this line is a construction, and a line mention this diameter, this diameter is 35 point to 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and apply this text and select this line. Okay, and some write a letter made in India. Okay, MT 12. Okay, MT 12 35 96 47. T 12 35 96 74. Okay, 12 35 96 74. 12 35 96. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this is a okay. And again double click here and select some font is change here. Font is a 2.8. okay, because all is perfect. And okay, and going to this extrude cut, and extrude cut is this 0.4 is better, and click OK, and this cut is a perfect and correct. Okay, and material is apply here, and going to this appearance, and appearance is this okay, nickel, and polished nickel is perfect. And this cutout is some dark is select here, and going to this appearance, and appearance some is a black color, and okay, this is a better. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this is a material is looking perfect, nickel. Okay, and all point is learner, and all is perfect and correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SOLIDWORKS software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important, and this is a case of a roller bearing, and this body is perfect drawing here, and 2D drafting is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and this body is isometric view, and this is a case of roller bearing. And this roller bearing project is all part is assemble here, and this is the final product is design here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect project, and this body and this project is also a beginner student is very important. Okay, let's start here. This body's design, this body's design, and how to this body's design easily and clearly today discuss here. And this body is looking perfect, and material is apply here a brush material. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and back side is also perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also better. Okay, and let's start here. This body's design, some setting is very important, and going to this at first select this plain white, and this is option is a click here, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a isometric, this is a front view is very nice because all a large dimension is showing here this And okay, at first select a reference line and then use this distance is 16.23 millimeter and this is a 27.5 millimeter and this radius is this and this is a diameter is this, and this 1.3 is a offset here and this angle is this and this is a 3.5 millimeter and this 2 is a both is fillet is used here, and this is a cutout is dimension. Okay, at first select a plane, a front plane, and a reference line is a drawing here this okay, and drawing this drawing a simple geometry, drawing a line, and this line is a this. Okay, and dimension is this point to this is a 27.5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 3.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 16.23 millimeter. Okay, and this angle is a 102.78 millimeter, 8 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and all dimension this is a distance is 3.5 millimeter and this is a 16.23 millimeter and this angle is 102.78 degree, and this is a offset here. At first going to this fillet is used here, this fillet 1 millimeter is this okay, okay, and offset is a select here this offset, and this line is this offset. Okay, offset is this line is select here, and this is a 1.33 and direct this is a reverse direction. Okay, all is perfect and correct. The 1.33 millimeter is this and connect to this line, connect to this line to this and again this line to this line to this. Okay, and trim entity is apply at this. Okay, all is perfect okay, and again select a fillet is used here 1 and this is a select this. Okay, select a both line and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and all is mentioned here this to this. Okay, all is better and perfect okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined and all is perfect and correct. And going to this revolve boss base and select this. Okay, this body is a drawing here and apply a sum cutout, and then again select a front plane, sketch normal, and select this corner line, this edge select here, and this is a this is a convert entities. Okay, and this is a also for a construction because this is user and exit, and going to this plane, a plane is selected a front plane. Okay, and again select this line. Okay, this reference line is very important, and okay, select this plane and sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line. Center line is this, connect to this. Okay, and use a corner rectangle. Corner rectangle is a drawing here, and this corner rectangle is a select this, use a make symmetric. Okay, this line and both line is a symmetric, and dimension is this is a 2.35 millimeter, and this is a length is a 12.35 millimeter, and width is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a okay, select this point to this is a 2.35 millimeter, and this length is a 12.35 millimeter, and this distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a better and perfect. Okay, all is for this line and this line too. This line is a symmetric. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a delete here. Because this point to this is a okay normal. Okay, this point to okay this is a normal. Select this point to this. Okay, and this use a select this and use this point to this point is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 2.35 millimeter or the and okay, and mention here this okay, and this line is a perfect line. This point and this is a okay. Okay, and this cutout is a very important, and okay, all is perfect. And this line is a horizontal line. Okay, and this cutout is very important, and okay, all is perfect. 2.35 and 12.535 and 7, but this point is a this distance is a this delete here. Select this line to this point Okay, and okay, and use a extrude cut is a 10 millimeter. Is this okay, because all is hide, this is a hide. Okay, and this plane is hide, and this line is also hide. This is a hide here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again use a select a pattern. Is this a circular pattern, and select this extrude cut, and select this face, and 360-degree angle pattern is 8 and equal spacing, and all is perfect. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and very nice looking here. And okay, and material is apply here a polished brush, and this is a perfect. Okay, all point is perfect and correct, and this body is drawing here easily. And isometric view is this okay. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture for a beginner student, because today discuss here this body is a automatic rotation and motion study, and how to this body is exploded, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is a automatic rotation, and how to this body is rotate, and all process is linear. And okay, this is a exploded, all parts one by one is exploded, and automatic is a collapse here. And today discuss here only this process, and next lecture all one by one, all lecture is a linear. And this is a final assemble of this roller bearing body, and this body is a perfect and correct. And okay, this is a very nice looking here. And okay, and how to this okay, and how to this all process is linear one by one. At first this body is a rotation, and then all parts is one by one is exploded here, and automatic all parts is a collapse here. And this process is very important for a beginner student. And okay, at first this motion study is a right click and going to this create a new motion study. Okay, and this motion study is a delete here. Okay, this is a not active. Okay, and all is perfect. This is a perfect and correct. And okay, position is setting here a good looking. And this is a rotate here this body, and upward and downward is perfect. And also this is a rotation is this okay, and this is a very nice looking here. This is a rotation. Okay, at first going to this exploded view, and all parts is one by one is exploded here. This at first select upper body, and y axis is this and drag here this body. Okay, and next is this case of a roller bearing, and going to this again y axis perfect. And this is a inner part is this and again going to y axis. And okay, and all is a roller is a showing here. And okay, at first this and right click and going to collapse, and then all body is collapse here. And again this is a exploded, and all parts is a exploded here. Okay, and again going to this animation wizard, and at first rotate model, and some important point is discussed here. Start time is 0 second, and going to this 8 second is perfect. And finish, and calculate this okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And again select this animation wizard, and going to exploded, and some important setting is this and start time is 8, and this is a start time is 8, and 12 is perfect. And finish, and again going to this and collapse here, a collapse is this 12 and going to this okay, and 16 is perfect and okay, and again calculate. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all okay, and again place start. At first all body is rotation, and then okay, all parts is one by one is exploded here, and automatic is all parts is a collapse here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this is a important point is again discuss here. This is a color change. Then again select this case of ball bearing and going to this open part. This part is only one is open, and this color is a change here, and going to this material is select this okay metal, and going to this chromium, and chromium plate is perfect, and this is okay, and again going to this save as and close, and this is a color is change here, and again select this open, and going to this metal and brush and okay, and again select a save as and okay, this is a perfect. The one by one all is a color change process is also okay, and this is a rotate here this body, and this is a perfect and very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.